In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the ARC M1 in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up your gunsmith and go specifically into this camo section right here and into this multiplayer tab. This is going to be where you see all of your challenges that you have to complete in order to knock out Shattered Gold. First things first, you're going to want to target these military camos right here, and in total you just have to get 50 kills or score streak destructions with this weapon right here. It's pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, score streaks, whenever you see them in the air, are definitely worth knocking out, or even if you see them on the ground. But kills is also pretty easy to go ahead and do with this, especially if you're playing objective-based game modes. In fact, for all of these challenges, you're going to want to play something like Hardpoint or Domination, just because it's going to make it a little bit easier. Not only is there going to be more score streaks, more UAVs, counter UAVs, etc., but there's also going to be more people in a specific area that are going to be weak. Like the hard point, for example. People are moving in and out of that. You can just shoot your gun straight in there to knock some of these out. This is not too bad, but it is going to be a little bit of a tedious process. But believe it or not, it's not the actual longest task that you're going to need to go ahead and complete, but we'll get to that. Moving on to the special camo though, the first one is going to be destroying 10 aerial score streaks. This is self-explanatory. UAVs, counter UAVs are going to be the easiest to go ahead and take out, and you're going to see them the most frequently. Play Domination, play Hardpoint, you'll see these the most, especially on smaller maps like Hijacked or Nuketown when that does release. Raptor is going to be getting a kill without taking damage 30 times. This is kind of annoying to go ahead and do, I'm going to be honest, but what I would recommend doing is playing, once again, Hardpoint, Domination, and just staying outside of the zone, and while people are running in, just go ahead and shoot it in there, and you'll knock out these kills fairly quickly, or at least as quickly as you possibly can. There's not really a better method to knocking this one out, but it is the safest method. Moving on to mainframe though, you got to destroy 10 score streaks, vehicles, equipment, etc. Really all you have to go ahead and do is aim once again for those score streaks up in the air. UAVs, counter UAVs are going to be the easiest, but if you do see equipment or field upgrades on the ground, go ahead and take them out with the ARC M1 as well, just to knock this challenge out pretty quickly. This will probably only take 1 to 2 games max. Finally, moving on to Shattered Gold though, you got to get 3 kills in a single match 10 times. This one is kind of annoying, I'm going to be honest with you. Essentially, you have to play 10 matches, and every single match you have to get at least 3 kills with this launcher right here. This is by far the longest challenge that you have to go ahead and knock out in order to go ahead and get a camo in this game. If you're talking about single weapon camos, it's pretty difficult. Once again, kind of just do the exact same method that we talked about earlier to get kills. Play Hardpoint, Domination, and you can knock this out fairly quickly. It's just going to take a minute, and that's just something that you're going to have to understand. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.